Hi there, it's Dhruv Bhat, and today we're going to be learning about the reactivity series of metals. Now, in sixth and seventh, you have obviously learned about, let's see, or if you have not, also, something that is metals. So, like there's potassium, sodium, hydrogen, magnesium, aluminum, gold, silver, many more. But these metals also have a reactivity series, like from highest reactive to the least reactive. Like the reaction might be with let's see, cold water, steam, alkalis, acids, and many more. But they are kept in the react order from the most reactive to the least reactive. And we're going to also be learning about displacement reaction, which I will teach you after the reactivity series of metals. So you can see this as the topmost reactive metal over here is sodium. Sodium is considered the most, potassium. Then comes sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminum, zinc, iron, lead, hydrogen, copper, mercury, silver, and gold. So as you can see, the arrow point, it is written as, one second, most reactive, and reactivity decreases, and least reactive. So yeah, these are things you have to remember, like K, NaCa. The first two most reactive metals come under potassium and sodium. They're like vigorously reactive, violently reactive, and even explosively reactive under acids. And rest comes under like what goes on. So basically, this is just the reactivity series of metals, which is just arranged in order. So now, as we learned about the activity series of metals, we're going to be learning about displacement reactions. I will teach the next more reactions in the next video. So for now, let's see. I got my text, and we're going to start off with the metal. Now, as you can see, I'm going to just tell you one thing. Let's have, let's see. There is Z. I'm just going to take black again. Zn, and there is plus zinc, which is zinc, plus copper, copper, SO4, copper sulfate. So let's see, copper sulfate over here. What do you think it is going to give? It's not going to be ZnCuSO4 or something else. It's going to give it. I don't. Let's see. I'm going to be. I'll use. Let me use the arrow. Um. Okay. Choose the arrow mark over here. Choose the arrow mark. And after the arrow, we can see what is it going to give. Will it give? No, it won't. If you guessed, it will give zinc plus copper sulfate 4, or zinc copper sulfate 4. You're wrong. Or do you think it'll become zinc plus copper sulfate, which is just the same answer? You're still wrong. The answer is, give me a second, it is going to be zinc. One second. Answer is going to be zinc SO SO4 plus plus Cu, which gives us zinc. So basically, it's zinc plus copper sulfate becomes zinc sulfate plus copper. So you understand here. And you might think, why? Why is it going to happen? Zinc plus copper sulfate. How does become zinc sulfate and copper? Well, here you can see sulfate is literally a non-metal, and copper is a metal, Zinc is also a metal. And here, as you can see, let me get this. Zinc over here displaces copper and becomes zinc sulfate. Zinc, okay. I'm just going to write it in the word formula: zinc plus copper sulfate is equal to zinc sulfate plus copper. And why do you think that happens? Because as you can see, where is zinc? Zinc is higher reactive metal than copper, hence it displaces. Now let me give you another example. You guys will tell me the answer for this now. Let's say we have calcium over here. Let's say we have no. How about we have Mg plus NaCl. What do you think that will give you? I'm going to give you 5 seconds. You might pause the video to see if you can get it right. One, two, three, four, and five. So the answer is going to be Mg plus NaCl. Shocking, right? As you can see in the reactivity series again, Mg, which is magnesium, is a lower reactive metal than sodium. So hence it cannot displace sodium and become MgCl plus, oh sorry, magnesium chloride plus sodium. Instead, it still becomes magnesium plus sodium chloride. So I think that's it for today. And let's just do a quick summary. Today we learned about the reactivity series of metals from the higher reactive metal to the least reactive metal based on the reaction with cold water, alkalis, acids and bases, and also its steam. Then we have displacement reactions. In displacement reactions, we learned about how a high reactive metal displaces a low reactive metal and forms a new compound and an element. And we also learned that a lower reactive metal cannot displace high reactive metal, and hence the reaction remains the same. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and make sure to share the video to everyone. Bye.